Hi, I'm Dr. Sybil. I'm a pediatric dentist here at Advanced Children's Dentistry. At our office, we strive to provide high-quality care for your child. We have convenient hours, after school and weekends. We also can provide different sedation options depending on your child's needs or age. Our office is also designed to help your child feel extremely comfortable when they come for their visit, whether it's watching their favorite cartoon, or sitting with a stuffed animal in the chair, or even getting a prize at the end of the visit. We strive to make sure that your child's visit is easy and safe. It's better to bring your child to a pediatric dentist versus a general dentist. We go through an additional 2 to 3 years of education and training just for children. And we also know how to speak to them a little bit differently to help them feel a little more comfortable when they come to the dentist. It's important to take care of your child's teeth and gums because you want to help them get a healthy start to life. By creating these healthy habits early on, you can actually avoid a lot of expensive and time-consuming treatment. We accept most major insurance plans, but for those patients who don't have insurance, we have a membership plan that's exclusive to our office. Our dental membership plan includes different options. They both have exams, cleanings, fluoride, x-rays, and if needed, an emergency exam. There's also additional savings on the treatment that's recommended for your child.
Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Raskin. You've trusted us at Advanced EDS. Now trust your child's care at Advanced Children's Dentistry.